This is the installation for the BAKFlip MX4 on the 2024 Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra has the special deck rail system, so you need to use their T-nuts to slide into their deck rail slots. You slide the end cap off, you take your 3 T-nuts and slide them into each side. For this installation, you do need to remove the end caps on the bulkhead deck rail system. Slide those guys out so that way your rail will fit nice and snug right in there. We need to remove the end caps on your rails here, and we'll flip them over, and you can see, taking the outer portion of your typical clamp, you will slide it right into the system here. Giving them equal portions across the rails, and that way they line up with your T-slots. Next, we will take our provided bolt and lock washer and use those to connect the clamp to the T-nut, making sure while we're tightening to maintain pressure down and towards the outside of the truck. For this installation, we are going to need to enlarge the already existing draining holes so that our BAKFlip drain holes will fit. Don't forget to reinstall your deck rail end caps and also install the weather stripping on your bulkhead. Again, those end caps on the bulkhead do not get reinstalled. Make sure to add the weather protection seal on the back of your buckle clips. They go on the bulkhead of the cover. Clear out any burrs or metal shavings inside of your drill holes. Put your anchor on the back of the screw and screw it down in place. Make sure you've got equal spacing on each side. Drop it down in place. Hold it all the way down. Tailgate up in place. Pull it back to your tailgate. And got it where it goes. Slide your carriage bolt into the track system, making sure that the indentation on the clamp lines up with the rail, locking it in place and tighten it back down. Slowly lean the cover forward all the way folded and see where it's going to contact the cab of the truck. And you've got your 3 bumpers that are provided for you to peel your tape and apply right where there will be contact. With it folded up and everything installed now, it is the perfect time to check the operation of your prop arms. Make sure they are in good working order. They're locked down in there. Fold those back in place. Now fold down your cover. Make sure it's all in good working order and locks down on every panel. Close your tailgate, and you've got a working cover.